ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode with the Nerd. So yeah, I literally just filmed a whole video with my remote control, showing you guys how awesome it is. And let's say it cut short. I think it must have pushed a button somehow, some way. I pushed a button and I ended it. So what we're gonna be doing in this episode is we're gonna see if my remote control car, because it actually is really fast, and it's plowed through a lot of snow. I wouldn't say a lot of snow, but like it went through 4 inches. It literally like went and bounced up and over 4 inches of snow, and like this car is like maybe 6 inches tall. Like that was pretty cool. Like I wish I was recording, but I wasn't. It was at, oh jeez, oh that hurt. Well, you guys can call that a blooper. Comment section below what time I fell on the video, and I'll give you a shout out. Oh man, that was bright too. Okay, so I fell right at the angle of where it's bright. So literally fell off my skateboard. Like my skateboard's not very big, and I was sitting on the end and I fell off. So it wasn't good. And my sweatshirt's gonna get caught, so I gotta take it off. Since you guys there. Hello. Get. It's over there now. It's over there. It didn't go very far. Okay, so I've got a jump rope here. I'm trying to get it through the window, and I'm gonna hold on to it. So, yeah. So I'm gonna shoot you guys that like that. You probably see more of the skateboard. Yeah, it's blue. So yeah, you guys are just gonna sit like that, and I guess kind of watch me with the thing there. Okay, so I got it. There. It's there. I'm okay. So yeah, I had to. So I have to. I think it's on already. No, it's not on. So I got a lot of extra cord with this jumper. Very annoying. Struggle is real. I repeat, people, the struggle is real. Okay, remote's over here. Okay, I was trying to find the remote because everything was in front of me and it's behind me. Coincidence. Okay, so I got this here. I'm actually gonna set you guys down. You're gonna be staring at the big blue sky for a bit because I gotta hook this right here around the axle of the skateboard so I can put it in there. So while I'm doing this, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed, and don't forget to tap the notification bell because you don't want to miss another one of my videos because they are amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. Hang on a minute, okay. Oh, okay, that was easier than I thought it was. So I'm literally like tying it so it doesn't come undone. It's tied. Okay, did you guys subscribe? If you haven't already? Yes, you did. Hopefully. I keep hearing your voice. Must be one of my neighbors. They're stalking me. Maybe they want to hear me and subscribe to me as well. Ever think that? Okay, so I'm turning the car on and turning the remote on. And let's see, yeah, I guess. Wait. Ooh, guys. I'm moving. Well, I'm helping myself. Literally helping the car move. So this is what I'm looking right now, so I'm going to set you guys up again. And then I have to fix the axle. We're gonna why? I want that piece off so I can slide the thingy off. That helps so much. But unfortunately, life isn't easiest. Go. There. I got it. Now I gotta tie it. Tying a jump rope is not the same as tying anything else. Okay. So, I got that in. I guess we're gonna just try to do the skateboard first. So let me flip that so you can see it. I got the remote down here. Oh, it's actually working. Well, I guess this video is a downfall. And it won't work. Well, at least it won't. It won't work with just a skateboard. Like, what is this? Trashiest video. Well, I wouldn't say the trashiest video because I think I posted another video that was actually really depressing. Oh, I forgot it's still on. I just gotta sit everything down and then untie everything. It's literally boring. Literally, it's just guys staring at the sky. Yay! It's blue. You guys want to stare at something else, like the sun? No, because that'll make you blind. I literally have to, like, just do it. Okay, putting it on was so much harder than trying to take it off. Like, I literally just looped it off, and, like, it's off. The only thing I have to do is unloop it from the car. I guess children should learn not to skateboard in the garage, because it can end very bad. Over here. Over here. Take it off. Ow! Frig! Ow! Oh, that felt really weird. Oh, man. Okay, so, literally, like, when I came down, my knee hit a rock. It felt so weird. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys down. You know what? Instead of staring at the sky, stare at the ground, please. It's pretty, right? Yeah, and probably not for you guys. And I really apologize, because this is not what I expected at all, whatsoever. So, yeah. Ooh, 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 yay! I got it. Haha. Okay, let's take this. It's a stupid thing. And well, it's over there. Oh, it's over there now. Well, let's just play with the remote control, I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at those headlights. Yay. Psych. Wrong way. Come on, this way. No, I gotta. Nope, other way. So I gotta back up. This is like so uncomfortable trying to. Oh yeah. Bro. Oh god, it went into all that water tonight. Please just be ice. Please just. Oh my god. Bro. It almost literally like. The end is like, right here. And all of this is solid ice. That legitimately would have broken it. Like, this is so hard I can't even break it. Can't even break it with my foot. Here, how about this lucky brick? How about we sit you guys there? Just like that. I got this brick right here. And I'm gonna drop it on the ice. Oh my god. Oh. Bro, it obliterated. I got chunks literally that flew down there, literally. And then we got, literally, look at this. This was all solid ice. It's literally broken. This brick, it's heavy, actually. It's got stuff literally on it. Like, legitimately actually on it. Whew, at least we didn't break the car. Again. But it wasn't your guys' fault. It was my fault because I broke it in the first place. Speaking of which, where's my front piece? Uh-oh. Trying to find my front piece. That piece that clipped on. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, it's not that. I know it's not that. We're on the hunt. Dun, 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 dun. Is that a ring? You guys see that? Okay, moving on. We are looking for lost wilderness. But the biggest piece we've ever seen. No, actually not. I wonder if it was. No, because I had it before then. You know, it's just a little piece. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. Unless that's under my coat. Nope. Oh, I found it. Literally right next to where I had it. See that? That little white piece. That one right there. Woo! The one that